Bitcoin weekly update for June 7th, 2026. We're going to start with the top-down analysis, starting with the monthly time frame. We got Bitcoin, we have price action rising up here, then falling from back in October till February, then a small rise, then a small drop in May, and now June it plummeted straight down. So right now the low of this month, with still at the 7th of this month, the beginning, is lower, is about even to the month here of February. So we'll see if it hits or looks for this one right here, which would be back in August. It had a low around 49.5, or if we claimed a volume down here and then tick back up. So it's just the beginning of the month, and of course this is the announcement's going to come out, and we'll see how it responds to that. On a weekly time frame, we have price action going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, and then you see here 200 MA. It bounced below, then bounced back above it. So now we have the candle right after that on the weekly time frame. Let's see if it bounces above this last week or not. But you can see the reaction that it's having off the 200 MA, which means it might show some support down here. On a daily time frame, we have price action went up above the 200 MA. Now it went back down under it, showing weakness. So it dropped down, couldn't get above the 200 MA, dropped down, bounced down under the 200 MA, so it's showing definite weakness on the daily time frame. And as before, it claimed this liquidity. Let's see if it wants to go down here or down here. But as of right now, we're still showing weakness under the 200 MA. And see what we're going to do from there on out. We're going to go to something that we need to consider, which is the CME Gap. And then for CME Gap, we have a CME Gap that formed down here at 62,000. And at 62,000, it, see if it price comes down here to fill this gap or not. It is a pretty small one. So the draw on liquidity might be not that much. And we have 3 other CME gaps above here. But of course you can see that the 200 MA is trending down. So small. We're probably going to try and fill this sometimes this week. And we'll see how it reacts from there. If it bounces up or goes further to the downside. And let's see if on our time frame, when we take these and put the trend lines on, we have a long running trend line for our action line. That price bounced down under the 200 MA. This price action went below this yearly line, showing weakness, but bounced above this swing low that we have that goes back all the way to this point here. So seems like that has some type of support and it's bouncing back up. Let's see if this support goes back above the 200 this yearly safety line or not. But one thing to note, of course, we have these vertical lines here, which is indicating the news that's going to be coming out soon. So the news going to be coming out is going to be CPI, PPI, inflation expectations as well. So these will definitely affect the market starting Wednesday to Friday, and we'll see how it responds. But after all this said and done, overall we're still bearish. Overall, we're all on this whole price action here. We're definitely bearish. So we're going to need to see some more uptrending above this and above this to show a bullish move. And that's going to be the summary for June 7, 2026 weekly update.